Keto craze or real deal? Hey everyone, and welcome back to Healthspan Secrets. Let's talk about a diet that's been absolutely everywhere. In headlines, on social media. Maybe even your friends are trying it. The ketogenic diet, or keto. You've probably heard the buzz, rapid weight loss, amazing results, but also maybe some concerns, right? Is keto the magic bullet for weight loss that everyone claims? Or is it just another restrictive diet that's hard to stick to and maybe even not so healthy in the long run? Well, today, we are diving deep into the ketogenic diet for weight loss. Is it really right for you? We're going to give you the straight facts, the potential benefits, the real downsides, and everything in between. We'll explore how keto actually works, who it might be good for, and just as importantly, who should probably steer clear. No more hype, no more confusion. Just honest, balanced information to help you decide if the ketogenic diet is the right path for your weight loss journey. Ready to get the truth about keto? Let's get started. What is the ketogenic diet? Keto basics. Fueling with fat. Alright, let's start with the fundamentals. What exactly is the ketogenic diet? It's definitely different from your typical balanced diet. The ketogenic diet is a very high-fat, moderate protein, and extremely low carbohydrate diet. I mean really low carb. We're talking drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake. Think under 50 grams of carbs per day, and often even less than that. To put that in perspective, that's less than you'd find in a single medium-sized banana. The goal of keto is to shift your body's primary fuel source from carbohydrates to fats. Normally, your body runs on glucose, which comes from carbs. But when you drastically cut carbs, your body is forced to find another fuel source. That's when it starts breaking down fat into molecules called ketones. These ketones become your body's main energy source. This metabolic state is called ketosis. Hence, ketogenic diet. So, what does this mean for your plate? On keto, you'll be eating a lot of healthy fats. Things like avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, fatty fish. You'll have moderate amounts of protein. Think meat, poultry, fish, eggs. And you'll be severely limiting carbohydrates. So, very few grains, starchy vegetables, sugary fruits, and definitely no sugary drinks or processed foods. It's a pretty significant shift in how you eat. Potential benefits of keto for weight loss. The keto advantage? Okay, so that's keto in a nutshell. Now, let's talk about why it's become so popular for weight loss. What are the potential benefits? Benefit number 1, and the one most people are interested in, rapid weight loss, especially initially. Many people experience significant weight loss in the first few weeks of starting keto. This is partly due to water weight loss, as carbs hold on to water in the body, but it's also related to the metabolic shift and fat burning we talked about. Benefit number 2, appetite suppression. Many people report feeling less hungry on keto. The high fat and moderate protein intake can be very satiating, helping you feel fuller for longer and naturally reducing your calorie intake without feeling deprived. This can be a big advantage for weight management. Benefit number 3, blood sugar control. The ketogenic diet can be particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. By drastically reducing carbs, keto can help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This is a significant health benefit beyond just weight loss for some individuals. Benefit number 4, potential for improved cholesterol and triglyceride levels in some individuals. While it's not universally true for everyone, some studies suggest that keto may improve certain markers of heart health in some people, particularly triglycerides and HDL cholesterol. However, this is still an area of ongoing research, and not everyone experiences these benefits. Potential downsides and risks of keto. The other side of keto. Now, it's crucial to be balanced and honest. The ketogenic diet is not without potential downsides and risks. It's not a magic bullet, and it's definitely not for everyone. Let's discuss some important considerations. Keto flu. In the initial days or weeks of starting keto, many people experience what's called the keto flu. This can include symptoms like fatigue, headache, brain fog, irritability, and constipation. It's your body adapting to using ketones for fuel, and it can be unpleasant for some. Nutrient deficiencies, if not done carefully, because keto is so restrictive in terms of food groups, it can be challenging to get all the necessary vitamins and minerals, especially fiber. Careful meal planning and potentially supplementation are often needed to avoid nutrient deficiencies on keto. Digestive issues. The high fat and low fiber content of keto can cause digestive problems for some people, such as constipation. Social challenges and restrictiveness. The ketogenic diet is very restrictive, and it can be challenging to maintain in social situations or when eating out. It requires significant planning and commitment, and it may not be sustainable for everyone long-term. Long-term effects not fully known. While there's research on keto for certain conditions and short-term weight loss, the long-term effects of a ketogenic diet are still being studied. We don't have decades of data on its long-term safety and efficacy for the general population. Because keto is so restrictive, some people find it difficult to maintain long-term and may revert back to old eating habits, potentially leading to weight regain. The yo-yo dieting effect. Is keto right for you? Making the decision. So, with all this information, how do you decide if the ketogenic diet is right for you? It's a very personal decision, and there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The ketogenic diet may be considered for some individuals under specific circumstances, such as individuals with obesity or type 2 diabetes who are under medical supervision and may benefit from rapid weight loss and improved blood sugar control. People with epilepsy. Keto has been used therapeutically for epilepsy management in some cases, again, under medical guidance. However, keto may not be suitable or recommended for individuals with certain medical conditions, such as kidney problems, liver conditions, or pancreatitis. Pregnant or breastfeeding women. Individuals with a history of eating disorders. Athletes or individuals with very high energy demands, as the carb restriction can impact performance. The most important thing is to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian before starting the ketogenic diet. They can assess your individual health status, medical history, and goals to help you determine if keto is safe and appropriate for you. They can also guide you on how to do it safely and monitor your health while on the diet. Your health and well-being should always be the top priority. Consider your lifestyle, your food preferences, your health conditions, and your long-term sustainability when making this decision. Tips for doing keto safely. If you choose to, keto done right. If, after careful consideration and consultation with your doctor, you decide to try the ketogenic diet, here are some crucial tips to do it as safely and healthily as possible. Focus on whole, unprocessed keto foods. Don't just eat bacon and cheese all day. Prioritize nutrient-dense keto-friendly foods like non-starchy vegetables, leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and quality protein sources, fatty fish, grass-fed meat, poultry. Food quality still matters immensely. Electrolyte balance is key. The keto diet can lead to electrolyte imbalances. Make sure you're getting enough sodium, potassium, and magnesium. You can do this through electrolyte-rich foods, like leafy greens, avocados, nuts, and potentially electrolyte supplements, especially in the initial weeks. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially when starting keto. Fiber is important. Even though you're limiting carbs, try to include non-starchy vegetables to get some fiber in your diet for digestive health. Don't restrict calories too severely. While keto can help with appetite control, don't drastically slash your calories on top of the carb restriction. Ensure you're eating enough calories to support your body's needs. Monitor your health and listen to your body. Pay close attention to how you feel on keto. Monitor for any concerning symptoms and adjust your approach or stop if needed. Regular check-ins with your doctor are recommended, especially in the initial stages. Support your balanced approach, you deserve it, to support you in making informed decisions about your diet and weight loss journey. And if you and your doctor decide keto might be an option for you, I've put together some resources in the description box below. You'll find links to some weight loss supplements that some people find helpful as part of a well-planned ketogenic approach, if appropriate for them. Things like electrolyte supplements to support balance, or high-quality protein sources to help meet your macro needs. Remember, these are just potential tools to support a carefully considered dietary approach. Always prioritize whole foods and professional guidance. Check out the links in the description if you're interested in exploring those supportive options. Ultimately, the best dietary approach for weight loss is one that's informed, balanced, sustainable, and tailored to your individual needs and health status. Take the time to do your research, consult with healthcare professionals, and make choices that support your long-term well-being. If you found this complete guide to the ketogenic diet helpful, and you're now better equipped to decide if keto might be right for you, then please subscribe to HealthSpan Secrets and join our community. We're committed to providing you with balanced, evidence-based information to help you navigate the complex world of health and nutrition. Smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. You definitely won't want to miss this one. Because in our next video, we are shifting gears and exploring a completely different dietary approach. Plant-based diets for weight loss, delicious and healthy recipes. Yeah, we're going to dive into the world of plant-based eating for weight loss, showcasing the benefits and giving you some mouthwatering and healthy recipe ideas to get started. It's going to be delicious and inspiring, so stay tuned. Recap. Okay. Quick recap on the ketogenic diet for weight loss. Keto is a very high-fat, very low-carb diet that shifts your body into ketosis. Potential benefits include rapid weight loss, appetite suppression, and blood sugar control, in sum. Potential downsides include keto flu, nutrient deficiencies, and restrictiveness. Keto is not for everyone. Consult your doctor before starting. If you do keto, focus on whole foods, electrolyte balance, and safety. And that's your complete guide to the ketogenic diet. I hope this video has given you a balanced understanding of keto, both the potential benefits and the important considerations. Remember to make informed decisions about your health, prioritize your well-being, and always consult with healthcare professionals for personalized guidance. Thank you so much for spending time with me today on HealthSpan Secrets. You guys are fantastic. If you found this video valuable, and I really hope you did, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with anyone curious about the keto diet, and drop a comment below. Tell me your thoughts on keto, or if you've ever tried it. I love hearing from you and learning about your experiences. And please, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to become part of the HealthSpan Secrets family and never miss another science-backed guide to health and nutrition. Stay informed, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video, where we're exploring the delicious world of plant-based eating. Take care.